Good morning, teacher. My name is Alex Condemaita, and this moment I am going to talk about the Waka Auka. The Waka Auka is a child who was not baptized, and that is why he was not buried in a cemetery, but in the some bushes where his the natural parent darting into a ditch. The bee apartment between 12 of night and the 3 in the morning, the hour in the which in the spell with the first crop of the roast, because his soul can rest. Legend has it that a Hebrew man was returning home on his horse. They suddenly heard a baby cry, picked it up and carried it in his arms. But suddenly the baby turned into a horrible being and says that I will take you to the frying pan. And just at the moment the first crow of a rooster was heard, the little demon says that you are lucky that they can't stay any longer. He gets scared and thought it, and at the moment, the baby explodes. The baby explodes. From that day on, the man was not bad with his family, and he stopped drinking. Thank you, teacher. Goodbye.